Welcome to Fundforte Fast Tracks, the podcast. We're dedicated to fast-track fundraising, event planning, development, and more with the Fundforte method designed by Beaudy Camacho. This is a platform where we share personalities, professionals, plans, products, services, and tips that work wonders in the ever-growing fundraising events and nonprofit industries. Thank you for taking the fast track with Fundforte.
Hello everyone from everywhere. Thank you so much for taking the time to follow the Fundforte Fast Tracks blog, channel, and podcast. Welcome to track number 8, Fundraiser Types. If you're reading up on the blog, listening in on the podcast, or watching over on the channel, I just ask that you do so safely and responsibly by assuring your attention is set on matters that are urgent or important to the well-being of yourself and others around you. Just as a recap, we've covered track number 7, fundraiser categories, to learn different types of categories within fundraising. Today, we'll get to explore 15 fundraiser types that we here at Fundforte have recognized in our method as well. As mentioned before, there are so many ways to fundraise, and your team needs to experiment with all of them to see what works best for your mission. You'll notice that the fundraiser methods, categories, and types are integrated and repeated throughout the Fundforte Fast Tracks series. The reason being is that there are many different themes that can be applied, cross-exchanged, and integrated together. Again, save your notes in your journal or on a digital file so that you can transfer it to the printable worksheet when it is ready. All right, let's get started. Fundraiser types. Fundraiser type number 1 is traditional. When a fundraiser has been proven to be successful over time and its process is shared through many organizations, it is considered a traditional fundraiser. It is a fundraiser type that holds many different categories within it, such as events like golf tournaments and benefit galas, raffles and sweepstakes, and collection programs. Traditional fundraisers work and are easy to implement, with most participants having had some type of involvement and experience in a traditional fundraiser. There is a higher chance of success to attaining your common fund goal. Fundraiser type number 2, wacky. Might you need to attract your supporters' attention? A wacky fundraiser is a way to go. Wacky fundraisers are different, creative, and against the norm. You might use these types of fundraisers to spark new ideas, energize your team, and excite your supporters through fun, creativity, and wackiness. Fundraiser type number 3, crafty. A crafty fundraiser is where items and services are handmade by the host organizations and the team members involved. Many fundraiser categories can fall under this type of fundraiser because there is such a vast range of funding plans and programs that can be categorized as artsy and crafty. Fundraiser type number 4, candy and snacks are such a treat, things that most everyone eats. Here is another fundraiser type with a vast ability to implement within many categories. Candy and snacks are and can be sales fundraisers, an event focal point or theme, grams and giveaway fundraisers, and much more. And the next fundraising type is number 5, food and drinks, which can also be said for the same. Food and drink type fundraisers are always great and usually successful with high team participation. There are many ways to implement food and drink fundraisers through all categories, like I mentioned, just as candy and snacks. Fundraising type number 6, games, contests, and competitions. Having fun with fundraisers is always important to gain and retain your team and supporter interests. Game, contests, and competitions are fundraisers that need a goal to be met and which offer incentives for participants and winners who played, attained, or exceeded the goal. Fundraising type number 7, musical. Music makes the world go round and people come together. Use a musical fundraiser to bring your team together to enjoy the talent your members and supporters have to offer to everyone. Fundraising type number 8, Go Green and Health. A Go Green and Health fundraiser is themed towards healthy living and Go Green practices such as exercise, organic items, buy local sustainability, reducing, reusing, and recyclables. The more often we provide these types of fundraisers, the more of a norm it will become, and our community will continue to practice them at home with ease and comfort for the better of all our futures. Fundraising type number 9, coins. Tired of change? Your common fund shouldn't be. Coins are a great theme for fundraisers because many supporters would be happy to provide what they have saved. Coins add up fast. Get ready. Fundraising type number 10. Postage. A postage fundraiser uses mail systems to support the goals of your team and common fund. Fundraising type number 11. Tech. Tech fundraisers offer products and services for the technology that your fundraisers could be using, that your funders could be using. Fundraising type number 12. Online and web-based. An online or web-based fundraiser uses a website to host a fundraiser campaign. Fundraising type number 13. Fundraisers themed for children are usually a success when planned properly for their caregivers to show support. When fun is the main attraction, fundraising success definitely follows along. Fundraising type number 14. Adults. Adults can still have fun too. Humor and creativity play big roles in fundraisers themed for adults only. All fundraiser categories can be customized to fit in the adults theme with proper planning, scheduling, and implementation. Fun, funny, and timely fundraisers draw success to adult fundraising. Fundraising type number 15, animal friends. Fundraisers themed for our animal friends and animal lovers are always great to try. Many people enjoy the company and experiences they can share that animal friends provide to us all. Alrighty, and those are the 15 fundraising types through the Fundforte method. In the next tracks, we'll be discussing fundraiser foresight and fundraiser future. Thank you again for following the Fundforte Fast Tracks blog, channel, podcast, and Facebook group. You can find all this content, submit your questions, contact us, and more at www.fundforte.com. That's www.fundforte.com. Please subscribe to the Fundforte Fast Track membership at the website as well for the free or paid plans. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and Anchor for the freshest custom creative event solutions by Fundforte. Thank you, and remember to make today a great one. I'm your host, Beauty Camacho, the founder of Fundforte.